Hello, this is exercise 1 of C Sharp lab, and exercise 1 is inheritance. In this exercise, we have to create a library management system, and it should provide types of logins such as admin, faculty, and student. The admin should, in the admin class, it should be able to manage the accounts and books in the library. The faculty should have these methods such as search, reserve, borrow, return, and view details. And the student should have only search, borrow, return, and view details. And the application contains are like student can take a maximum of 2 books with a specified return date, and journalism and magazine is only the reference, only for reference. So let's go to our code. So here is the code. First I've created an interface iUser, and inside that I have an abstract class which is total. Now inside I've created another abstract class called faculty. I've initialized different variables such as serial number, name, type, and charge, and then I've created another abstract class called create, which when called will ask the user to enter the book name, book type, and charge. Next class is borrow, which again will ask for the book name, and it will check if its type is journal and magazine. Then we have to enter the number of days, and if it is already issued, it will display it issued, the book has been borrowed. So else error, this we will give an error because we have to display it. If this error 1, so sorry, the book is not available. Or if it's error 2, the journalism magazine cannot be issued. Then for the reserve method, I've entered a book name. I have to enter the book name. We have taken the book, checked whether B name is type of journal or magazine. If it's not both, we give error 0. So we put enter days, enter the number of days, and the book has successfully reserved. And if not, it's not. We will give error, and similarly we will display the errors also, like book is not available or journalism cannot be issued. Then search. In the search, we again ask for the book name. We again check those conditions and do the following. View, we can only issue, or we can say that sorry, no such book was issued. We print the name, type, and charge of the book. Fine. Now we place a abstract class called student, which inherits faculty. So it has a function called method called borrow1, which asks the book name from the user and enter the quantity, and we check whether if it is not there, if it's not a journal or a magazine, then we check if it's already issued or not. If not, then the book has been issued. Else we print the errors like the book is not available or the journal cannot be issued. Or if it is more than 2, you can also print, you can only take maximum of 2 books. Now search 1, it's for the student. All these search 1, view 1, all these are student program. Now we create the admin, which inherits student also and user also. It has a method called create, which is we use the super method to construct for the constructor to overload. Then in the now if the total function is overridden here, therefore we ask the enter number of books, console and we check the return name and the name. If both are matching, we print the issued, else the total amount of the paid is equal to the charge, whatever the charge has been available. Again we give error if any error is there. Now in the main program, I've asked the user, I printed 1 as admin, 2 faculty, 3. If the user enters 1 to anything, according to that, I will ask the user for the name and the password. Admin password is admin, username is admin, and password is admin. Similarly, faculty is faculty, and student is student. Now let's check for like when the admin enters, it asks for welcome admin, and it calls the ad.create. Ad is an object of the class where it is initially admin. Here you can see admin new ad. So it will call the create method, and if it is wrong, it will print the admin as username is incorrect. Similarly with the faculty, we have given 5 options, which case we will search, reserve, book, total, view, etc. And then we will do say like continue Y, to continue, like to exit the loop, we can press N, or if you have to continue, we can press Y. It's just simple, making it more convenient. Finally, for the student also, all the search one, borrow one, total, and the view is called, and then you can press 0 to log out or 1 to continue. So let's run this program and execute it. Since it's an online compiler, it will work slowly. So I enter admin. So let's check for faculty first. So I entered 2, so it's asking faculty username, so FACULTY, since I provided it in the program, and password if it will also faculty. It's some error. Let's try it again. Enter faculty, CULTY, FACULTY. Yeah, it's working. I don't know why the error might be some mistake because of it's an online compiler. So let's check for search. Since we haven't given any book earlier, so it should give the book isn't available. Let's continue. I press Y to continue. Again, let's go to return. So if I give return, it will ask the book name. I'll give book. Because no book was issued, it is giving us correct output. Next, let's go to, oh sorry, and I have to press, wait, 1 to continue. Okay, correct. You have to press N, but I have given the condition if Y is not pressed, any condition will work, so that's why it's working. Let's check student, student. See, now let's see borrow, level. See, now it's working correctly. I enter the quantity 2, and since this book is not available, it will press give the output as not available in the library. Now I press N. It should be to 1. Yeah, correct. Now let's find out what are the options given to an admin. If it stopped executing, okay. Let me run it again, because it will stop executing. After certain time, the online compiler stops executing. It won't work even if I type anything. Let's first clear this console. Now I execute it again because it's an online compiler. Admin. Okay. See, we see welcome admin, enter the book name. So we can enter a book name, enter the book type, and what is the charge. So again, I've given it to 3 times we can do this. So let's enter 3 books, any name, charge, and final. Login, empty, and 45. So you can see we have entered these 3 books. Now these 3 books are entered, and the faculty and the student can use it. So this is exercise 1 completed. Thank you.